the most biodiverse market from Oaxaca all the way down to Peru. I am with my friend Juan from Etno Food, and we are going to be exploring the Oaxacan cuisine, vegetarian style. Yum! And bonus, my mom is here.
I am.
And we're very excited to explore all of the lovely food in this market.
I could eat an entire bowl of that.
You can find literally anything in this market. There's 14 different markets.
For example, in this case, the name is Tianguis. In the
Tianguis.
Tianguis, you can find food or maybe clothes. This space, you can find anything.
Wow, it's massive.
Gracias.
In Oaxaca, say this year.
This bien.
Oh, no? Sí.
Yeah, it's a lot like kombucha, almost like a little milky, really good for your stomach.
It's like a magic because sometimes you can drink in maybe 1 liter. When you're drinking, it continue fermenting in your body. And maybe you can say, what happened here? And you are drunk in 1 hour.
Okay.
So,
Getting drunk at 11 a.m. It smells so good. The herb section is my fave.
Crema. Sí. ¿Y nos puedes dar la prueba? Por favor. For example, this is quesillo. Remember, quesillo. Quesillo, you can taste it because it's creamy. More sweet.
It's like string cheese almost. Yum.
In Oaxaca, the name is quesillo, not Oaxacan cheese.
Okay.
What is the name?
Quesillo.
Correcto.
Get some Oaxacan cheese. Got some Oaxacan cheese. So we're making mole amarillo today. So we need these, what is it called again?
Guajillo.
These are guajillo, very important for the yellow mole. You can hear it.
This is only for Oaxaca. The name is chile guacle. This is too important for make like the black mole. This is too spicy.
Super spicy?
The smaller it is, the spicier it is. We're not eating that.
But he's selling like chintesle. The chintesle is too important because the flavor it's only chili, garlic, and salt. No more. You can taste it. Tasting is one kind of mole.
That? Okay. Oh my god.
Yeah?
I could eat an entire bowl of that.
So it's a type of mole?
Yeah, one kind of mole. The name is chintesle.
Chintesle.
Chintesle it's too important because the flavor is interesting. No, it's como no it's too spicy. What you feeling?
Garlic? Lots of garlic. Spice for sure, but not too much.
Correct.
That's delicious. Oh my god.
You need 1 spoon. I need to put it like this. You can find
Okay.
a little bit. Put tomatoes and in the blender or maybe in the molcajete like this.
Okay. All of these are the mounds of chapulines, which are the grasshoppers. Super traditional thing to eat here in Oaxaca.
But I invite you like this. You tasting. Don't worry.
Yeah.
You do like the chapulín. Don't worry. And like chapulín, when you're tasting, you need to keep. Sometimes like the people don't eat like the legs.
The legs.
Don't.
So this is the chapulín, grasshopper. And how do you cook it? How is this cooked?
¿Cómo lo cocinas?
¿Cómo lo cocinas?
Con limón, sal
With lime,
y ajo
and garlic
con chile.
and chili.
I should take the legs off?
Correct.
Okay. This is the only non-vegetarian part of this tour. Whatever.
Then it's crunchy.
Ese es con picante. Y
Yeah, I
aparte
know.
cuando es sin picante.
It's like the food of the future. Why? Because remember, like production of meat is bad for the world. But now it started like the new culture to eat like different kind of bugs. But in this case, it's like the chapulín. The chapulín is close to Oaxacans, and every time eating, and many people say, you don't eat meat. Don't worry. It's like different food, and the Oaxacan is like the plant basics and combined.
So is this not considered meat?
No,
Okay.
it's keratin. Keratin is like similar like meat, correct?
Oh, okay. So technically this is vegetarian.
Yeah.
Super high in protein, right?
Yeah.
I don't eat the legs.
Mero gordito.
You got a fat one.
Eating.
Eating? Okay.
Eating, don't worry.
That tastes totally good.
I know.
I know. So this whole section right here, it's all women-owned shops. They've all brought it from their own farm. The chapulines, she caught them herself, which is super freaking cool. This is my favorite section so far. We love female-owned shops. Hola, Carmen.
Carmen is too important for this culture because she making the food for 40 years, like the same recipe.
Same recipe for 40 years?
40 years making like the same recipe, but it's more important when you come into Oaxaca, you need to taste it because, for example, you can watch like the color. The color is like similar like gold.
Yeah.
No, it's black. Sí, por favor.
Gracias, Carmen.
Wow.
Look at that. So we got the, what are these called?
Quesadilla.
Oh, it's a quesadilla, but it's super fried. There's cheese inside. Is it quesillo inside?
Yeah, quesillo. If you
Quesillo?
can watch, it is.
Oh, yum. And then there are beans, lettuce, some more, what is it, queso fresco on top?
Yeah.
Queso fresco and lettuce.
Yeah. Try with salsa a little
Oh.
bit.
Oh my god. That is so good. It's so good. Flavor.
Okay, in this case, but need more salsa. Take one and eat.
Oh my goodness.
The flavor is sweet, but no, it's spicy and have the good balance.
Muy sabroso.
Sí. No, no está abajo. ¿Lo puedo llevar?
Anything with masa in it, I love.
This is like the Mexican napkins, never you can find. This is like the dish, you put your tamal, for example. Like this, you eating, and will you finish?
Yep.
So this is like a mini calabasa, you're saying?
Correct.
Calabacita?
Correct.
Calabacita salsa?
Correct.
Ajá.
Here.
Oh, es
Can I?
siempre. ¿Es super picante o?
No, pruébala. When you stay in the market, every time, remember the technique.
What? Try it first?
Oh, smart. Yeah, that's a good idea.
No, it's spicy.
Okay.
I love this dark sauce.
Yes?
What happened?
Getting ready to cook all of this goodness. Wow. So before we cook anything, we're going to be getting all of the leaves off. We're going to clean all of the veggies.
Correct.
Look at this whole chunk of salt.
And in the first time, a little bit. No broke. It's only for excellent.
What do we got going on?
Making the salsa, and it's cool because we're not chopping, we're using a pestle. And the onions are grilled, so it's going to taste different than the kind we make at home. So
Oh,
it's,
yum. So you got grilled onions in here, and then you're throwing the
and the
tomatoes.
will go in next, I think. But this is kind of hard. It doesn't smush up real easy, so. Scared of hot things. Watch her try to take something out of the oven, you'll laugh so hard.
Just put it in.
Please.
This is the stock for the mole amarillo. And we've got hierbas santo, squash, and what else?
Fava beans.
Fava beans in here.
Okay, no seeds.
You take the rest out too.
Correct.
I'm so excited to make mole. Yeah, the flavor.
Yum.
Never discard.
So since we're making the mole amarillo, there's no cacao in this. For the black mole, there is always cacao. That's what I was used to, but this is a different kind. And I think I'm gonna love it.
Like the mole is when it's grinding. It's like a mini.
While the mole is blending, we're now gonna make some tortillas. This is a new first for me. Very excited.
One, you can put in the okay, like this. You feeling?
Yeah.
You can put in the middle. Plastic. You can press, not too hard. One. Over.
Oh.
One. Two. Here. A little bit. Open again. And you need to come in. Watch my hands in this side. You can put the space. Go slow. And it's your turn. Correct, no problem. Continue. Perfect. Perfect.
Woo!
Venga.
Venga!
Yeah, a little bit, a little less. Excellent. Perfect. Now add it.
To the middle.
Yeah, please, in the middle. Excellent. Perfect. Fold. Perfect.
In the middle?
Excellent.
Okay, so we've got our Oaxacan enchiladas on the stove. We're also gonna make quesadillas. We get some Oaxacan cheese. We got our squash flour. What was this herb? What was this called?
Epazote.
Epazote?
Epazote.
Epazote. Well, more cheese. Why not? I guess we're gonna put these on the stove in a little bit. Okay, all of it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And the extra flour.
Thank you so much. You guys are amazing.
Okay. Provecho.
So is this the enchilada or the quesadilla?
Empanada.
Empanada, that's what I meant. Empanada.
Enchilada.
Do I? Oh God. But it's like a Oaxacan empanada.
Yeah, because have mole.
It has mole in it, okay.
All these fun things on the salad.
Delish. Okay, second course, we've got our mole soup with the sofrito and some plantain. It looks so good. Oh my gosh. Shall we try? So good. I love Oaxaca.
You can put lime, and after this is chili or salted chili. Now it's your turn.
Oh, is that fun stuff? Is that the stuff that they put on the fruit in the market?
Correct.
Oh,
Okay.
it's so good. Chili salt.
We need to buy that.
Yum. Try it.
I need to write these things down. We need like a list of all the things we made.
Mom, I have it on video. What a squad.
This was so much fun. So if you guys come to Oaxaca and you want to have this amazing vegetarian food tour cooking experience, Etno Food is where it's at.
It's true.
Yes, so
Pleasure.
thank you so much to both of you.
Bye.
Gracias.
That was amazing.
It sure was.
Seriously, the best day.
It was really a great day.
Wow.
I really recommend that. It's a
Totally.
great experience, great food, and really good company.
Yeah,
So.
they were so great. And I think honestly my favorite part was just doing everything from scratch, from the very beginning, you know, the prep work, just seeing how everything is made, making the tortillas, and then finally sitting down after hours and hours and eating it. It was just so rewarding.
Really, really cool. I love
So-
going to the market too.
Yeah, I mean that was the
that
whole
was an experience that's worth its own tour.
Absolutely.
So-
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Definitely go check out Etno Food if you are in Oaxaca. There's a restaurant and obviously they do these amazing tours. So go check them out. The link is down in the description. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, of course. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!